Welcome to Filmet's Designer Suite Basic Tutorial. Here we will explain what the purpose is for the tools that you will find under the Designer Suite. For actual designing and physical display of the tools, please watch our Designer Suite Basic Creation tutorial. Our tutorial first starts you off at your working space area. As you have learned in the previous tutorial, this is the main area where you have your template's basic working environment. At the bottom of the screen, I have already loaded my images and are ready to go. If you have not already seen our basic ordering tutorial, we suggest that you watch it before diving into the Designer Suite tools. To give you a little bit of background on our Designer Suite tool, it was once referred to as a pager tool in our old ROES software. As many of you have used this in the past, you will notice some of the similarities with it. As you can see, the Designer Suite tool has been relocated to the very left corner of your working space area. At this time, they are currently grayed out except for the hand tool. First, I want to click on an item I want to use it on, so I'm going to click on Portraits, select the 8x10 and 8x10. I'm now going to describe what each tool does, and as you can see, I have clicked on the Select 8x10, they became available for use. Please note, these tools are only enabled for certain products. The first item on the list is the Image tool. I also refer to it as the Hand tool because it looks like a hand. You can see this by hovering over top of the hand icon. The Image tool is available for movement of the image in the template. Even items that do not have the rest of the suite available, this tool will always be enabled because that is what helps you drag your images and move them around in the template area. The second item down is the Edit tool. You can see this by hovering over top of the icon that looks like 4 blue triangles pointing out from the center area. As the name states, this tool is for editing a node that you create. We refer to a node as an item where you can drag and drop an image into or place text into it. You create a node by using one of the next few tools. The third item down is the Draw tool. You can see this by hovering over top of the icon that looks like a blue plus sign. This tool is used to draw a node anywhere on your template so you can place an image into it. The fourth item down is the Draw Text tool. You can see this by hovering over top of the icon that looks like a blue plus sign with a little capitalized T in the right corner. This tool is used to draw a node anywhere on your template so you can place text in your template area. The fifth item down is called the Grid tool. You can see this by hovering over top of the icon that looks like a dotted square grid. This tool helps you accurately align the nodes you create to make your images aligned within the borders that has a safe area, which is the 1/8 inch safe zone. You can change the size of the grid to fit whatever sizing you want the squares to be. There is even an option for snapping your nodes to the grid. The sixth item down is the Montage tool. You can see this by hovering over top of the icon that looks like a square box with 4 little square boxes inside of it. This tool has several options, including nodes across, nodes down, gap width, gap height, and a few other options as well. All these options are for essentially creating a table of nodes on your template. Many people use this for designing an album, to have equally aligned nodes, or to even have a perfect book. It makes things a little easier with the auto-populating the nodes. The seventh and final tool is the Background tool. This tool is one we do not use because we already have many backgrounds in our options. So do not worry about this tool, it will not be discussed in our next tutorial. Thank you for tuning into Filmet ROES' Designer Suite Basic Explanation tutorial. For more information on the other aspects of our ordering software, please watch our other tutorials and make sure you continue on to the next tutorial, which will be the second part of our Designer Suite.